Let's start understanding uh, history of AWS team. AWS Cloud started by by Amazon. Amazon Amazon. Initially, it started with one service called AWS S3. It is a storage service. It started with the first cloud service called AWS S3. It is a storage service, and then uh, now it is offering 200 plus services, 200 plus services in AWS cloud for different purposes: storage purpose, networking purpose, security purpose, data analytical purpose, data engineering purpose, DevOps purpose, and databases purpose, applications purpose, machine learning purpose, artificial intelligence purpose, IoT purpose, this one, quantum computing purpose. For every purpose, gaming purpose, they are providing multiple services in different categories. So right now, it is offering 200 plus services. It started with first service called Amazon S3. Later, it added EC2 in the same year. Then now it expanded to 200 plus services. 200 plus services. In different years, they added different services. Right now, we have 200 plus services. And AWS Cloud is the leading in cloud computing. Compared to other clouds, AWS Cloud is the leading cloud computing vendor. Let's say databases purpose. It is offering RDS service. With RDS, you can choose any database you want, or you can create EC2 instance. You can install any database. Data warehousing purpose, it is providing Redshift. Streaming purpose, it is providing Kinesis. Serverless computing purpose, it is providing Lambda. Data engineering purpose, it is providing Glue, Athena, Kinesis, QuickSight for data analytic purpose. There are plenty of services too. So currently it is offering what? 200 plus services as part of AWS cloud computing. And it is one of the compute leading leader in cloud computing. Competitors for AWS cloud is one from Microsoft Azure, another from Google Cloud Platform. But among these three, who is the leader in cloud computing is AWS. AWS is the leader in cloud computing because it started before those cloud computings, and it is from Amazon. Amazon having lot of storage. They are into e-commerce business. They have a lot of storage. They are planning to share their storage to others. Then they started storage service called S3. Initially, they started service called S3 in cloud computing. Then later, they expanded multiple services. So currently, they are offering 200 plus services. So here you can see different services in different categories. Let's say compute. You can see different services. Okay.